Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rekha Lokhande and welcome to PhysioLive. We as Indians tend to get pigmentation. So in today's talk, I'm going to talk all about skin pigmentation. So what is pigmentation? Pigmentation is just a technical term which is darkening of the skin. So dark circles, acne marks, sun tanning, freckles, that all comes under the umbrella of pigmentation. So let's discuss what are the causes. Any kind of injury like due to acne or breakout usually leads to pigmentation. Second and most common cause we usually see is melasma, which is a hormonal pigmentation and which runs often in a family made worse by sun exposure. Third common cause is use of pigmentation cream. So what are the precautions? Let me talk to you about how these three things can be tackled. So the first is, if you have acne, make sure do not pick it up, because picking it makes it to leave more marks and more pigmentation than usual. Get prescribed medicine from your dermatologist and use a gel-based sunscreen which can prevent pigmentation developing on these skin acne marks. Second thing is, use skin lightening cream which contains mostly glycolic acid and oxalic acid, which will help you to lighten out these marks effectively. Then second cause I mentioned, which is melasma. Now it is inherited. If you have any family members suffered from melasma, you can too, but you can keep it at bay by using broad spectrum sunscreen regularly and in frequent intervals so that the sun does not damage your skin further. Use a sun lightening cream which contains retinol, glycolic acid and oxalic acid, also helps to lighten up the skin pigmentation. The third reason I mentioned was use of over-the-counter fairness creams. Some of them contains sensitizing agents or steroids which actually makes your pigmentation more worse. So if you are picking up a fairness cream, make sure you discuss it with your dermatologist who can advise you whether they will give you a benefit, or who can advise you a medical cream which might be more suitable for your skin type. Finally, remember, whatever you are doing, make sure your sunscreen is on every day, even on a cloudy day, because UVA radiation is different from sun or visibility of sunlight. So you might be thinking that it's actually a cloudy day and you don't need sunscreen, but you need sunscreen to keep your skin from going dark even when you are on skin lightening products. That is your skin barrier. Other than all these precautions, few handy tips are: don't fall into the trap of bleaching treatment in order to get fairer skin whenever you visit your beauty salon. Always remember, any skin complex is beautiful, whether you are dusky or fair. The most important thing is to be comfortable and confident under your skin tone. Aim for healthy, radiant and glowing skin rather than the fair skin tone. So again, don't fall into the trap of the beauty industry who are promising a fairer skin tones for applying their costly skin products. So always remember, good, nice, radiant and glowing skin is more important than the fair skin. Be a smart consumer and always consult your dermatologist before buying these costliest fairness creams. Better to get prescribed from the doctor in order to get fairness compared to buying unlogically fair cream products. So if you find this video knowledgeable, please do like, follow and subscribe to PhysioLive so that you will never miss on our latest videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.